Hi, I'm Jeff with Westcott Designs, and here we have a 2020 Army Green TRD Pro 4Runner. As you can see, this truck drove all the way from Texas, Houston, Texas as that. They drove 14 hours to get here, and they decided that they wanted our TRD Pro lift kit put in their truck, which amazing, awesome, we love it. That's what we want to see. But when they got here, they decided they wanted a set of our super high-end Westcott Designs sliders. These are all of our DOM 120 wall sliders. They bolt directly to the frame. We TIG weld all the welds on them, so everything's super clean and super high-end. Last week, we were told that these are the Gucci of sliders. I guess if that's what you want to call them. So, but yeah, they're super nice and super high-end. Then they decided, you know what, hey, we want one of your roof racks and do the light cutout. We'll add the light bar later. But this is our full-length roof rack. Bolts into the existing holes here on the roof. It uses the pads up here, so there's no hole drilling in the front. We then obviously we use the holes here in the back, and then we have our signature bottle opener here in the rear of it. Super cool, looks great. You can have a 10 on it. The bars then drop down to the bottom, lower level here. So if you want to do a basket in it, we also offer a basket for the rack as well. And then around the back here, they decided, hey, we got to get to the roof rack. Let's do one of your ladders. So they did one of our ladders. They're super, super well designed. They actually clamp into the top and then they clamp into the bottom. So there's no movement on the ladder whatsoever. And of course, we've got our incorporated bottle opener. This ladder is super modular. We've got different attachments that are coming out for the ladder. You can actually tie things into the steps. It's got track system into the steps. The steps are actually 1 inch tall by 2 inches deep. So, and the ladder's just over almost a foot wide. So, and it's all made out of aluminum. All the crossbars are extrude honed aluminum. They are the same crossbars that are actually in the roof rack itself. So everything is modular between the roof rack and the ladder. Thank you again for watching our video. We really appreciate you. And if you need anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.